Hey, what you doing? Did you just crawl all the way here from your room? Oh, you trying to leave? Yeah, good luck getting through the front door. What are you going to do once you get there?
He's 9 months old. He can go where you want.
I'm not opening it for you. No. No, I'm not. Oh, too bad. Oh, fine. You want to go outside? Let's go outside. You gotta move. Yeah, move backwards. Move backwards. Oh, sweet freedom. You gonna come? Oh, now that the door's open, you don't know what to do, huh? Hey, happy 9 months. Bye-bye.